How to calibrate Google Maps Compass on iPhone. Here's how to calibrate it. First, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Tap the location arrow in the bottom right corner to show your current location. If Google Maps detects that your compass accuracy is low, you'll see a Calibrate prompt. Tap Calibrate. Follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate your compass. Depending on your version of the app, you may be asked to move your iPhone in a figure-8 motion or use the live view camera calibration by pointing your phone at nearby buildings and street signs. Once the calibration is complete, your location and compass accuracy should improve. If you don't see the Calibrate option, make sure location services and precise location are enabled for Google Maps. You can check this by opening the Settings app on your iPhone, then go to Privacy and Security, tap on Location Services, tap on Google Maps, and ensure precise location is turned on. And that's it! You've successfully calibrated the Google Maps Compass on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, app tutorials, and how-to videos.